The next unit here is our lateral turning mattress. This is in the 90 series. We have our MA90. There is also an MA95. However, this one, the MA90, is a compressor-based model that provides up to 30 degrees of lateral rotation, alternating pressure, and modified low air loss. The advantage of a lateral rotation mattress is that the mattress itself will turn the patient. Without this type of unit, the caregiver would have to come in, manually turn the patient, and prop them up with pillows or wedges. This mattress achieves a 30-degree tilt of the patient for you. The mattress will arrive in a single container. The mattress will be rolled up in here, and the power unit will be in a separate box. As you remove the components, you will notice how everything has been designed for ease of installation. Notice that sewn into the bottom of the mattress are carrying straps. This simplifies setup and teardown. All you have to do is roll it up and carry it with the handles. You don't need a duffel bag or some other means to keep everything together. When you put it on the bed, make sure that you have the air hose on the left side of the bed. That is the left side as you stand at the foot section of the bed. Undo the straps and unroll it. Notice we do have the foot end labeled on the mattress itself, which makes it somewhat foolproof as far as how it goes on the bed. Now for the power unit. Open the box, remove the operator's manual, the power cord, and the power unit itself from the box. Hang the power unit on the bed end itself. It has an adjustable mounting bracket on the back. Slide it out to adjust for the depth of the bed end bolster. Simply hang it on the end and cinch it up, and that securely mounts it to the bed. And we have a 14-foot power cord that's hospital grade and grounded. You can tell by the green button that it's a grounded cord. Plug it in here and run it over to the wall receptacle and plug it in. Avoid creating a trip point when you're setting the power cord. Make sure it's routed in a way that's not a hazard to anyone walking through the room. Also make sure that it's not entangled in any of the moving parts of the bed itself. Now attach the hose. It's permanently connected to the mattress. It has a protective cover around it to prevent it from getting kinked or from getting in between the mechanism of the bed itself. It's an extra layer of protection against wear and against any type of damage. When attaching the hose to the power unit, make sure that you wrap it around and underneath like this. Then plug it in. Look at the connector. It's a very well thought out and well designed piece. You'll notice it has 4 hoses. It's in one solid connector. We've combined all 4 hoses into one connector that's easy to attach and remove. It's simple and it's durable. A lot of other manufacturers have individual hoses that you have to connect one at a time. If we had hoses just running straight in, they'd be very susceptible to breaking. With this design, the connectors are not going to break, even if you drop it. Just squeeze these 2 buttons on the ends and connect it to the power unit. Disconnect the hose for CPR release. Now, it's just a matter of inflating the mattress. On the control panel, turn on the power and press the max inflate button and we'll get that blown up. You can expect it to take 10 to 15 minutes to fully inflate. As the mattress inflates, use these tie-down straps to attach the unit to the bed frame. There are 10 of them, 3 on each side, 2 on the head and 2 on the foot. Attach them like this. Fasten the strap around the deck section of the bed. Make certain that you go around the deck section of the bed, not the frame of the bed. If you attach the mattress to the frame, you can tear the mattress or damage the bed, or both, when you try to lift the front or back deck section. So make sure you attach the straps to the movable deck sections of the bed. Lace the strap through the 2 loops. Separate the loops, then bring the strap over the top of the first loop and lace it underneath the second loop. Pull the strap tight to cinch it down, and the mattress will be secured to the bed.